The metaverse is no longer just a futuristic buzzword. It's becoming a powerful new frontier for wealth creation and digital opportunities. If you're curious about how to tap into this growing space, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how beginners can start investing in the metaverse, make money online, and build lasting digital wealth. The metaverse is essentially a virtual universe where digital and physical realities merge. It's not just for gaming. It's an entire ecosystem where people work, socialize, trade, and create. Think of it as the next big evolution of the internet, and like any major shift, those who position themselves early can reap massive rewards. One of the most popular entry points into the metaverse is digital real estate. Yes, you can buy land in the metaverse. Platforms like Decentraland, Sandbox, and Otherside allow you to purchase virtual plots, develop them, and even rent or sell them later for a profit. Brands and businesses are already snapping up digital real estate to create storefronts, host events, or enhance their presence in the virtual world. Another opportunity lies in NFTs, Non-Fungible Tokens. These unique digital assets represent ownership of items like art, music, collectibles, or even in-game items. As the metaverse grows, NFTs are becoming essential for identity, property, and transactions within virtual worlds. Investing in NFTs, creating your own, or trading them on platforms like OpenSea or Rarible can be highly lucrative. Play-to-earn games are another exciting way to generate income. In games like Axie Infinity or Star Atlas, you can earn cryptocurrencies or NFTs just by playing. These assets can often be traded or sold for real-world money, making gaming not just a pastime but a potential income stream. For those interested in entrepreneurship, the metaverse offers a wealth of opportunities to start virtual businesses. From designing 3D assets like virtual fashion and architecture to hosting live events or opening a digital shop, the possibilities are endless. You're limited only by your creativity. Cryptocurrency is the backbone of the metaverse economy. Learning about blockchain technology and investing in metaverse-related tokens, such as Mana, Decentraland, Sandbox, or AXS, Axie Infinity, can be a way to profit as the space expands. However, always do your research and invest wisely, as the market can be volatile. The metaverse is also changing how we work. Virtual jobs, such as digital real estate agents, metaverse event planners, and virtual world designers, are emerging rapidly. By developing relevant skills now, you can position yourself as an expert in this new economy and secure high-paying roles in the future. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't worry. Start small. Begin by exploring a metaverse platform, create an avatar, and see what opportunities resonate with you. Educate yourself about blockchain, NFTs, and cryptocurrencies to build a solid foundation. The metaverse isn't just a trend, it's a new digital economy that's here to stay. By taking the first step today, you're positioning yourself to grow alongside it. This is your chance to innovate, invest, and create wealth in a world with limitless possibilities. The future of wealth building is digital. Will you be a part of it? If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how to thrive in the digital age. Let's build wealth together. Making money online has never been more accessible, thanks to the rise of websites, apps, and digital platforms that connect people across the globe. Whether you're looking to earn a side income or build a full-scale online business, the internet offers endless opportunities for those willing to put in the effort and think strategically. One of the most popular ways to earn online is through e-commerce. Platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy allow you to create your own online store and sell products to a global audience. You don't even need to stock inventory. With dropshipping, you can sell items directly from suppliers, handling only the marketing and customer service. Affiliate marketing is another powerful income stream. By partnering with brands and promoting their products or services, you earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Websites like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate make it easy to get started. This approach works particularly well if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following. For those with a talent for creating content, platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram can turn your creativity into cash. With engaging content, you can attract followers and monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, and even merchandise. The key here is consistency and providing value to your audience, whether that's through entertainment, education, or inspiration. Blogging remains a lucrative option for those who love to write. By choosing a niche topic and building a blog around it, you can attract readers and monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. Tools like WordPress make it easy to set up a professional-looking website in no time. If you're tech-savvy, consider developing apps or websites. The demand for skilled developers is high, and platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and TopTal connect freelancers with clients from around the world. You can work on projects for others or create your own app or website to generate income through ads, subscriptions, or in-app purchases. Online education is booming, and if you're an expert in any subject, you can create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Sharing your knowledge with others not only provides value, but also builds a scalable income stream as your courses sell repeatedly. For those with a knack for trading or investing, the internet offers access to platforms for stock trading, cryptocurrency, and even real estate crowdfunding. Apps like Robinhood, Binance, and Fundrise allow you to invest with minimal starting capital. However, always educate yourself and understand the risks before diving into these areas. Remote work is another way to leverage the internet for income. Many companies now hire freelancers and remote employees for tasks ranging from customer service to graphic design and writing. Websites like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Remote.co are excellent places to find remote job opportunities. If you're looking for passive income, consider creating digital products like ebooks, stock photos, or printables. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly with little additional effort, making them a great way to build long-term income. The internet is also ideal for building a personal brand. By establishing yourself as an authority in your field through blogging, social media, or podcasts, you can attract opportunities like speaking engagements, consulting gigs, and collaborations that can significantly boost your income. The beauty of earning money online is the flexibility and scalability it offers. You can start small, experiment with different strategies, and build multiple income streams over time. The key is to take action, stay consistent, and adapt to the ever-changing digital landscape. Your journey to financial freedom can start right now, from the comfort of your home, with just an internet connection.